going to get into this really cute palette by Anastasia Beverlyhills X Norvina. It is the Volume 4 palette, and I did this look today using this palette. I love this palette, guys. It's so pretty. It's like everything girly. It's like Barbie doll in one palette. There's so much color going on here. I thought the shadows were so pretty. So yeah, we're gonna get into this palette today. If you want to see how I got this look using the palette, you know what to do. Stay tuned. The first shade I'm going to take is B3. It's right up here at the top in the center. I'm going to pop it in the crease. The next shade I'm going to take is E4. It's down here at the bottom. I'm going to pop it right underneath that first shade. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverlyhills eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna go back with the E4 color and I'm gonna smoke out the ends. Now I'm gonna take the shade at the bottom. It's E3. It's a pretty shimmery purpley color. I'm gonna put that on the center of the crease. Now I'm going to put this really pretty shimmery white color, E2, on the inner corner of my eyelids. I'm going to apply some of that color to the bottom lash line. And that is it for this look. I hope it was really simple and really easy to do. If you guys have any questions for me, please leave them down in the comment box below, as well as any suggestions on what you like to see next. You know I got you. So yeah, I will see you queens on the next one. Bye.